Hi everyone, this is Yushin. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make these Squid Game inspired biscuit earrings out of polymer clay. So first, I started by mixing out the color that I'm needing. If I'm going to make this again, I would probably add a little bit more yellow. And when mixing colors, I used my pastel machine to help me. And then it's quite easy, so I just cut out the circle shape using a circle cookie cutter. And then using a smaller cutter, I would gently press the cookie cutter into the polymer clay. But I won't push the cutter all the way through so that there is a little bit depth, but it's not all the way through. You can make them in whatever size you want. And you can also make them into brooches, keychains, and that's really up to you. After I finished cutting, I cleaned the surface of the polymer clay using some alcohol. This just cleans the dust off the polymer clay surface. And then here is the most important step, is to add some soft pastel. The reason is without the pastel, your cookie will look kind of fake. And because the biscuit in the Squid Game is actually made from sugar, and therefore different biscuit looks very different in terms of its color. Some are more brown, some are more yellow. So I would suggest you looking up a reference photo of the biscuit color that you like, and then mix your polymer clay based on the reference photo. After shading your polymer clay biscuits, you're going to put it in the oven and then bake it. After baking it, you're going to drill a hole on where you're going to attach your findings. And after you drill the hole, you can now start attaching findings. An optional step before you start attaching your findings is to add varnish. This is not a mandatory step. You can skip it if you like the matte look. If you want it to be glossy or shiny, you probably want to add some varnish to the surface of your clay. And that is it for today's tutorial. See you guys next time. Bye bye.